just super tiny. Look. Super tiny. Oh, he's clean. Are you grabbing my paw? Oh, he's so cute. Look at the size. Look at the size here. There you go. Just teeny. Does baby number 3 not want to come out, Ariadna? Where is baby number 3? Well, she's been in labour for 2 hours and just 2 babies so far. Hello, Paxalex. Good to see you. It could be button nose here. You see the new little kitten? And kitten number 2. And she's got number 3 on the way, but it's taken ages. Stuck in traffic. Come on. Come to the new world. Paxalex, is JP out of bed yet? He's at his dad's. He doesn't even know that my baby's giving birth. He's still in bed. Do you like the setup? Look, Dionysus in his double cat bunk bed. Depends on what time he went to sleep. He'll probably not get up until at least midday because he's off school for a week. But you could spam him 1,000 times. Oh, here comes number 3, I think, this time. You've got this, baby girl.